My name is Dakota Hawkins with Clients First Print Solutions, and today I'm going to be talking through PrintVis folder structure and use. I'm going to start from our central role center and break this down into three setups that are required for the folder structure. The first is connecting to Microsoft as a whole. The second is understanding the structure that you want those folders to have standardized across either customer, case, or art format. And the final one is how that interacts with the case card itself, with that job. So to begin with, I'm going to look up PrintVis Cloud Storage Setup. This page allows me to connect my OneDrive or my SharePoint account directly to PrintVis's folder structures. Now to define those folder structures, I'm going to use the PrintVis folder group setup. Now you can see each of these folder groups can be defined in different ways. I can have them set as a default or set for specific use cases that I might encounter. For this default, I can see just by clicking into the folders what structure I'm permitting here. For every folder, I want a customer name and I want an order ID. And each of these are housed within one another. This gives you the ability to set standardized folder structure, as I said, through either customer, case, or file format. Really gives you a lot of flexibility for how you want that standardized approach to look. Now let's take a look at what it actually appears as on the case. So I'm going to click into my folder example here. Now this is a standard job. I'm printing a magazine for 2,500 quantity. Because this is in the order status, I'm able to access my folders here to look at maybe artwork or what might go into this. Clicking into that folder structure, you can see that I have the different subfolders already put in. You can see the folder path. Just by selecting Open, I can now go directly to my SharePoint and access it as needed here. This would allow me to upload art files that would then be able to be seen from our folder structure in the PrintVis case, directly tied in to the job that I'm doing. That's a brief overview of the PrintVis folder structure setup. If you have any questions, please reach out to a Clients First team member. We'd be happy to share more. Thanks.